In our discussion regarding culture, last time we discussed about the culture in our heads, which are values, beliefs, knowledge, and norms, and we have types of ways, which is first knowledge. And additional professor, we have also the taboo. So taboo is known as a certain thing or something that is avoided to discuss in a certain community or society. Now let's move on to our communicating culture. Can we read first language? We have Rayos.
First, the language. The ability to communicate in symbols in an abstract system of word meanings and symbols for all aspects of culture, which includes speech, written characters, numerals, symbols, and non-verbal gestures and expressions.
Thank you, Ms. Rai. So let's read also the function, Mr.
Further detail cultural transmission that embodies culture and creates a framework of culture.
Why do you think language is the primary beacon of transmitting culture?
Yes.
Yes.
So, yeah. The language is basically our common medium that for us to share our culture to others. For example, if we can talk to each other, so there's some circumstances that I can share the culture to you because you can't understand what my culture is if I don't explain it to you. Clear or verbal.
Okay, so
But at some point, there's some culture that
yes, thank you, Mr. Sean. Okay, so our example here is communicating with intercultural groups. So like for example before, when we are in the second year, we have classmates with this, si Alexus. So from Alexus, di ba ang dami natin nagpag-usap kay Alexus dahil interested tayo kasi hindi naman kasi talaga siya di ba parang inborn na Muslim. So parang nagpa-convert
Yes.
So nagpa-convert na siya into Muslim and now parang nag-aaral pa lang siya kung ano yung mga ginagawa sa inside Muslim. And tayo naman, tinatanong natin sa kanya kung ano-ano yung mga pagkakaiba, ano yung mga ginagawa, at kung paano nila yung ginagawa. And that way, that is a true language that we share culture from other culture into another culture. So we learn culture of Muslim and then we also learn from culture of Christians. So are we clear?
Yes.
Next, after language, we have symbols. Can you read? Yes, Miss Gianna.
Symbols. Gestures, words, sounds, objects, images that form the basis of human being.
Okay, so thank you. Can you read the function? Yes, Miss Valencia.
Functions of symbols. It refers the elements of culture to one another and pass from one generation to another. Assign meaning for everything.
Okay, so thank you, Miss Valencia. So our example here is the universal logo, yung thumbs up, and then the emoticons or the so-called emojis. So aside from those examples, we also have, so you can see the symbol of US. So the symbol of USA for power is, the strength and power is the eagle. And then we have also the dragon, which symbolizes strength and wisdom. So aside from that, we also have color. So in the color, as what we have studied before, the color of USA or the flag of USA has different meaning. Yes, Mr. Salazar.
So for the white, it's for purity. For the blue, it's for green, green person. And for the red, it's green diplomat.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Salazar. That is correct. And here in the Philippines, our flag also has different meanings in which from the day or the year it was made until now, the meaning of those symbols is still instilled into us. So, yes, Ms. Michelle, what are the meanings? First, we have color blue.
yes, so the blue means
Okay, so ano yung
it's the peace and independence. Peace. Freedom, brother.
Kalayaan.
Yes, how I love.
Okay,
Independence is
okay, next we have color
red, which is
red.
so red is a symbol of war, but in our flag are the upside down position where the red color is on the top, and that means that we are on war. And the white color is symbolizes purity and independence, peace. Yes. And the peace are of the Philippines, which are Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Besides from Manila, bakit? Sorry. it is
Walong
the 8
place.
provinces wherein the first places or first provinces that revolt against the Spaniards.
What are those?
So those are Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Nueva Vizcaya,
Isina.
Ecija, and
Bulacan.
Bulacan. Bataan. Manila. Dati kasi
Yun,
ay
perfect.
Jowa Rosary.
Okay, so thank you.
Jowa ba siya?
Okay, so for that, thank you very much for your knowledge. And then, so symbols, it's as it is under the communicating culture, it means that it can communicate culture and pass through pass to different generations from one another. Okay, so we are done with communicating culture. Now, with English, we have two, which are the language and symbols. Next, we have reproducing culture. Under reproducing culture, these elements manifest the product of culture and how it is being transmitted, utilized, and shown from one generation to another generation. First element we have behavior. Yes, Mr. Thompson.
For the behavior, action associated with the group that power readers and distribution.
Okay. Next, we have the function. Yes, Mr. Lara.
The functions of behavior distinguishes the innate culture from particular set of behavior and of both combined.
Okay, so thank you very much. So when we see behavior, it is the behavior, it is
Hindi.
and it says that behavior, we can consider behavior as para mas makita natin kung ano yung mas distinguished culture and from one another. So like for example, the culture of Filipino have that is being respectful. So sinasabing kakaiba yung kultura ng mga Pilipino dahil sa paggamit natin ng buhat-opo. So same as other countries, like for example, is Japan. Yes,
Nagbabaw. Pati sa Korea.
Okay, so, yes.
Korea.
Okay, and that is the meaning over the... Yes, and also, hindi na tayo lalayo sa KNL.
Huh?
So sa KNL, nagiging kakaiba ang mga estudyante na nanggagaling sa KNL. Dahil pagdating sa ibang school, nagugulat naman sila na bigla na lang nagbabaw yung mga...
Nagulat kayo mga elementary teacher ko. Sabi, di ba Pilipino ka na?
Yes,
Hindi
that's
Chinese ka ngayon. Sabi,
Okay,
wala ko kasi ang akin. Kasi na, yung learning ko, sabi, hindi natin Pilipino ka na Chinese ka.
and... Yes, Mr. Thompson.
Ang ano doon is yung sa Pilipinas, ito yun sa organization na pagka-respeto mo ang elder mo para pero maibibigay na isang lapis na conversation.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Thompson. Yes, kaya namin ako ng challenge. Did you get it? Okay, Mr. Thompson. Yes, Ms. Gia.
Yung nabababay, magtatanong tayo ng
Pedestrian.
Oh, may ganun ka pala nagkakaroon.
Yes, me. Chodoyo.
Okay, yes, Mr. Salazar.
Wala na nasabi na yun.
Thank you very much. It was said that behavior distinguishes the unique culture of particular set of behavior of a group to another. So, are we clear? Next, we have cultural objects. Can we read? Visual sa the definition.
Cultural object? Yes,
Sir.
Cultural object. As a basic element of material culture. These are physical items or the artifacts that are created by and associated with people who share the
Okay, so, and then we have the function. Can you read?
need.
Yes, Mr. Rayos.
Small, provide tangible evidences of how culture is shared and transferred through products of technology.
Okay, so, and one of the product of technology that under the reproducing culture is we have electronic devices. So why do you think electronic devices belong to the reproducing culture? Why do you think yes is the shot?
So yeah, maybe it's based on the producer of that certain device. For example, Samsung are made originally from South Korea.
Yes.
So it can also spread culture by doing or by making it up as a business and also as an iPhone. Hindi, kung na tayo yung iPhone. Punta tayo sa Nokia. So Nokia was made in China, right? So based on the previous generation, that Nokia was a popular product that produced by China, and it also produced the culture of China that their product are, matibay dati, bago now.
Yan, may bagong labas ng Matea ngayon.
That's good naman.
So thank you very much. Next, we have Miss
Ano
Anna.
na makikita natin sa cultural objects? The best example is yung cellphone na micro, wherein pagbukas mo pa lang makikita na yung logo ng Pilipinas. And also in the back portion of the phone, you can see the map of the Philippines. Also, dyan makikita mo yung may mga bugtong, yung may mga apps, and also may mga riddles, and also meron din prayer every 3
Okay, so thank you very much for your ideas. So, for electronic devices, so kung makikita natin, yung ibang bansa, talagang katulad ng mga ng Samsung. So yung Samsung, pag-open mo, makikita mo ganda yung word ni Samsung. Ibig sabihin, sinasalamin dito na yung kultura ng mga taga, di ba Samsung is made from Korea?
Yes,
So
it
sinasalamin
is.
dito na yung Korea, gusto talaga nilang i-promote na nakabasa sa kung ano yung pinoproduce nila yung kanilang kultura. So parang, kung ano ba ito ay ma-share sa iba, masasalamin dito na gano'n nila pinapalagay yung kanilang kultura. Na gano'n nila pinopromote yung kanilang kultura sa ibang lahi. So like for example, sabi ni Mr. Salazar, yung my phone. So yung my phone, may integrate siya or ma-share sa ibang lahi, masasabi din or pwede sumalamin din na gano'n din natin pinahalagay yung mga ating kultura. Na kaya natin ipangalagakan na sa pag-open ko ng phone, makikita mo na agad yung mga salita. Yes, ano yung
Mapa.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Dar. And then we have work of art. So makikita din natin sa iba't ibang art galing sa iba't ibang bansa kung ano yung kanilang kultura, writings, and artifacts, and then so are we clear with our three elements of culture? We have culture in our heads, communicating culture, and reproducing culture. Okay, next, that proceeds to essential functions of culture. First, we have, the following are the functions of culture as discussed by Umar. And then, number 1, culture defines situations. Can you read this, Thompson?
Culture defines situation. Culture somehow indicates that something done and how a man is a motive side or control of a person is determined according to what is essential and
Okay, so this is Thompson. So, one of the example of this that culture defines situation is, yes, Miss Thompson, yes.
sa culture nila, sa mga pagkain. Kasi diba, kung tutuusin lang, mas mababa daw yung, mas worse daw yung
Quality.
yung quality ng pagkukuha nila doon and sa Philippines. Kaya yung culture nila doon, yung sa pagkain sa kamay, yung pagkakalo, hindi sila gumagamit ng mga
Okay.
utensils.
Okay, so thank you, Dean Thompson. So, sinasabi din dito na, ganyan na sabi ni Dean Thompson na culture defines situation. So, kung ano yung mga ginagawa sa isang kultura, kung ano yung ginagawa sa isang komunidad, o kung ano yung mas pinapractice, yun yung sinasabi na nagde-define kung ano yung measure. So, like for example ngayon, makikita natin na na-adapt na ng maraming Pilipino, lalo na yung kabataan, yung kultura ng Korea. So kung makikita natin yung kasuotan, yung mga galawan, so kung doon pa lang, masasabi na natin na yung sitwasyon na kabataan ngayon is para well influenced na sila by our K-drama or the culture of Korea.
Yes.
Next, we have number 2, culture defines attitudes, values, and goods. Yes, Mr. Salazar.
So the second one, culture defines attitudes, values, and beliefs. Culture serves as the basis of a person's thinking, behavior, and even the views on many aspects of life, which also includes the religious beliefs and other philosophical ideas of an individual. Values and emotional aspect of a person are also greatly affected by the culture of an individual.
So thank you, Mr. Salazar. So one of these culture defines attitudes, values, and goods is the religious beliefs. So let's say for example the beliefs or the religious beliefs that is being practiced by the Iglesia ni Cristo or the INC. So sa kanila pala makikita natin na hindi sila naniniwala doon sa mga santo-santo. So parang yung kultura na pinapractice doon, maaari na i-define kung ano yung paniniwala na meron sa kanilang religion. Na kasi minsan parang pagkasama nila yung Katoliko kasi parang kita ng halimbawa ng santo or ng imahe, parang mag-ano sila, engage, parang titingin lang makasama nila ng iglesia kasi hindi sila naniniwala. So doon pala makikita na natin yung pagkakaiba between cultures. And then next we have culture is the treasury of knowledge. Yes, Miss Medina.
Culture is a treasury of knowledge. Man seeks knowledge to learn our existence, relies on knowledge which culture plays a vital role. Unlike others, man possesses greater intelligence. Thus, man can co-adapt with the environment. He can also interface and work social movement. Culture is easier for a man to do so by preserving knowledge and helping him its transfer from one generation to another. Culture also plays a critical role in preservation, gathering, and dissemination of such knowledge. This mainly separates man from animals because culture is not manifest in their life.
Okay, so thank you, Miss Medina. So, sinasabi dito that culture is the treasury of knowledge. Sa Tagalog, ang kultura ay kayamanan ng karunungan. Yes, Miss Medina. Why do you think so?
Because when you say monitoring functions of culture, it is stated that culture depends on rules, values, and rules. So yung mga rules, values, and sa'yo, we can determine rules as a knowledge. Kapag nalalaman ko kayo, you can say that yung culture ay karunungan kayamanan ng karunungan. Basta tayo
Okay, thank you, Miss Medina. Yes, Miss Valencia. Okay, so according to number 3, that culture is the treasury of knowledge. It is because we human we can learn the culture and we can also teach the culture to other generations. So that's why the knowledge and then the learning that was stored in our mind, we can embark or pwede natin siyang ipasa or ituro ulit sa panibagong generasyon. Kaya, sinasabi na ang kultura ay kayamanan ng karunungan. Dahil sa kultura din, marami tayong pwedeng matutunan. At ito din ay nagdadala ng iba't ibang ideas, ng iba't ibang philosophies, at ng iba't ibang paniniwala. So, are we clear? Next, number 4, kindly read Mr. Lara. Culture decides our career.
Culture decides our Culture is somehow sets the mind of a person on what he or she may become and what he or she wanted to be. Therefore, culture gives a person the idea of what he or she must be to make in the future and sets the limitation of a person's choices. Choices of becoming an engineer, a professor, and other professions focus on India to a certain culture set the mind on a limitation of what they want.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Lara. So dito naman, sinasabi dito na culture decides our career. So sa isang kultura, mayroong profession na mas pinahalagahan or most value. And tendency, pagdating ng panahon yung mga kabataan, yun na yung kanilang most probably take na courses. So sa pagdaan ng panahon, parang naipapasa yun natin ipapasa. And yes, Ms. Valencia.
Culture decides our career. For example, you are a person who is born in a family of teachers. So, ang tendency is variation mo sila kasi yung kultura natin sa inyo family. Parang may yung family courses, parang yung gusto nila going to them.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Valencia. That is correct. Yes, Ms. Gianna.
So, dun sa
So thank you very much. Your answers are correct. And alam mo ba na sa Pilipinas ay more than 70%, way back then, 1980s up to 1990s I think hanggang 2000, hanggang year 2000, 2001 hanggang 2005. Ayon sa statistics is more than 75% of colleges offers education. Dahil dati, noong unang panahon, pag sinabing teacher ka, mataas ang tingin sa'yo. Kaya, so parang naging part ng kultura ng Pilipino na yung mga matatanda dati na dapat ang anak ko is magiging teacher. So that's why, kaya pala yung nuna ako dati is sabi niya, kailangan niya na siyang teacher. But unfortunately, yung mga anak ko is magiging teacher. Okay, yes, Mr. Thompson.
So, di ba sabi mo dati ang tingin ng teacher is nakakataas. Pero, nagbago siya ngayon, di ba? Parang naiinis siya. Kasi ngayon, sinasabi nila pag kinuha mo boss teacher, sasabi nila, teacher ka lang mga madali lang. Pero hindi nila alam yung hindi nila alam na without teacher, wala din professional. So, kasi naman ko yan nung kami sa gano'n ng tropa ko. Gawa ko niya is computer engineering. Parang kasi dapat kami mag-engineer. Kasi ako na pupunta dito. So, sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko sa kanya, nagawin ako sa akin. Sabi ko, parang kaya ko na ito lang teacher. Parang hindi ko naman okay, nahihirapan. Sabi niya sa akin, ba't ka mahihirapan? I-teacher lang mo magtutulog-tulog parang mo. Sabi ko, hindi naman sabi ko, hindi parang hindi ka lang ang teacher. Kasi pagka sa teacher naman, kailangan mo isipin yung magiging sagot ng student mo. Kaya ako, hindi ito. This time. Tapos yan, tapos parang ako na, sabi ko sa kanya is, kung wala ako, wala ako. Yes, tunay, teacher, wala.
Okay, so that is, alam niyo ba dati kung, bakit nire-respeto yung teacher? Kasi dati makapangyari yung teacher. Like for example, pag halimbawa ako yung teacher, tapos kahit na mag-intake ako ng corporal punishment sa pag-visit na estudyante ko, wala mangyayari sa akin dahil ako teacher ng bata, ako yung dahilan kung bakit matutulo yung anak mo. So may karapatan akong disiplinahin siya in any way I want, or in any way that is applicable. So kaya dati, pagkahalimbawa sabi, dyan ang teacher na mamalo yan. So, ang tendency is parang nakakatakot siya din. So, kung bakit naman siya nagbabago ngayon, kasi ang lumalabas is mas protected yung bata kaysa sa teacher. So, there is a law that protects child against the teacher, but there is no law that protects the teacher against the child or against the children. So, that's why yung kultura talaga is nagbabago. And that is all about culture decides our career. Next, number 5, culture provides behavior pattern. Yes, Ms. Mili.
Culture provides behavior pattern. A person is proud and his or her culture when he or she allows it to contain himself or herself within the limitations or boundaries of suggested outcomes or situations presented within himself. It may give a person the chance to attain his or her dreams and desires of life. Within himself or herself, the status he or she is expected to have or to do. Moreover, culture sets the standard of what shall be done by an individual, and even how he or she may be able to attain those goals.
So, yes. Can you give your...
So, yun na
quotation. So there is a quotation that says, "A man is a prisoner of his culture." So do you believe in that?
Yes.
So, I personally believe. So according to Ms. Medina, so yung Filipino, yung family culture ng mga Pilipino, which is, hindi ka naman, so kasi sinasabi na, hindi daw kasi tayo magtatapos at magkakaroon ng trabaho para ma-orderin yung sarili natin, kundi para tulungan yung ating magulang, at lalo higit yung mga mas nakababata pa sa atin. So that's right. Yes, according to the experts, that culture of Filipino should be banished. Bakit? Dahil nakakapagod daw siya sa ekonomiya ng aming bansa. So kung kukumpara daw dito sa ibang bansa, which is pagdating ng 18 years old, nakiwari na sa magulang, it means hindi na rin pananagutan ng magulang, hindi na rin pananagutan ng anak ng kanyang magulang. So ang tendency, yung contribution ng kanyang anak sa mapupunta sa ekonomiya ng bansa, hindi doon sa iba pang aspect ng kanyang pamilya. So are we clear?
Yes.
Let's proceed to culture provides personality. Can you read please, Sumadsad?
Six, culture provides personality. According to Benedict, personality is provided in culture that influence an individual. Culture decides the life of a person towards achieving his or her goals, which includes personality development. Cultural environment is very necessary. Without it, then any child will not be able to attain the qualities that is expected for him or her to have the reproduce.
Okay, so thank you very much. So, in short, this culture provides personality. So, kung saan tayo ng kultura, of course, nagiging parte yan ng ating pagkatao. So, yun lang yung sinasabi sa culture provides personality.
Yes.
So, yung nahanap nating mga ugali at kung ano yung pinapakita natin sa iba, para sumasalamin kung saan tayo. And then, are we clear? So, number 7, culture makes man human being as means condition.
So culture makes man a human being, so to become a civilized individual. So to become a civilized individual, it is considered to be part of being a human being. So to be civilized culture, it is essential. So culture provides the human being about information of what things are needed to fully live as a human.
Okay, so sa culture makes a human being, so minsan may mga kultura na parang dinidemand nila na kailangan yung mga tao is nagpa-participate. So like for example, sa kultura ng ibang bansa, sa kultura ng Muslim. So sa kultura na meron ng religion ng Muslim. Na kung saan, kapag in-arrange ka, arrange marriage, parang wala ka nang magagawa. And that culture makes you human. Yes?
Let's for example, yung sa South Korea, wherein all the boys are required or mandated.
Yes.
Okay, so
Military.
that is also true. So, are we clear with number 7? Next, number 8, culture provides solution for complicated situation. Culture sets the mind of an individual on how he or she will deal with anything he or she will face in his or her life. So, may mga kultura na kung saan nagtuturo. So, katulad ng sabi ni Mr. Salazar. So, katulad ng sabi ni Mr. Salazar na sa South Korea, required yung mga lalaki na magkaroon ng
Yes.
required yung citizen or yung Korean citizen.
Pero may exemption doon. No, hindi. Tanga.
Yes,
Baliw. Pero may exemption minsan sa pag may military. Oo, meron. Kapag kunwari sobrang yan sa injury, pag malala na yung kunwari may sakit ka, i-exempted ka nila sa pag
Thank you very much. Yes.
Hindi nga.
Sa North kasi hindi ko mainit siya.
Oo.
Tapos yung parang nagiging culture nila is yung parang daily routines nila na makakalat. Kahit na pilot. Pati simula nung yung pakunara ng bata ka ba, kailangan pagka dapat gigising ka ng 5 a.m. in the morning. Tapos kailangan mong sumali sa isang organization na which is maglilinis ka na 6 to 8. Tapos yung pagkatapos ng 8, nakakapulang mag-aalusan. So yun yung nagiging daily routine ng mga bata.
Dala.
Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so thank you very much for your idea. So, Culture provides solution for complicated situations. So dito, karamihan na sa pamamagitan ng kultura kung paano maging ready yung mga citizen or yung mga tao na parte ng kanilang kultura doon sa mga sitwasyon na hindi inaasahan. And the next, we have culture provides an additional interpretations to certain situations kaya direct Valencia.
Module provides in additional interpretations in certain culture becomes the basis of how a person interprets a certain situation and how a person views it as there are some scenarios where the other people there are some scenarios wherein other people may have an understanding. Some cultures may have similarities in terms of understanding the meaning of a certain experience, while others may be really far different in terms of meaning. The case of a person somehow is related to how they interpret the meaning of a certain experience.
Yes, Miss Valencia.
For example, in our country and in some Asian countries, they have a culture wherein kung sa picture, ang interpretation nila is may mas mamangyari dun sa tao. Yes.
Okay, and that is true. That is most common sa Asian countries. Yes, thank you, Miss Valencia. Yes, Mr. Salazar.
Yung pag binabagsak, yung kutsara din ito, may dadating na babalik ko.
Tapos parang ko ba kayo?
Pag nakatihay ka, maganda. Pag nakatihay
Pag picture ko nakatihay, ganun pa.
Tapos pag kutsara pa lang yung masama.
Okay, so
Magsandok sila na natin.
okay, so much for that. So ito ang isa that will provide additional interpretations of certain situations.
Yes.
Okay, and yes, Miss Valencia is correct. And then next, number 10, culture keeps social relationship intact. So having different cultures in this world has allowed the chance for grouping people according to their beliefs, ideals, values, and such. So, makikita natin, yung tulad halimbawa, yung, di ba sa Israel, very known yung Christianity.
Yes.
Sa Israel. So kapag yung mga Israeli napunta sa Pilipinas tapos same yung halimbawa, sisipa sila sa katedral. So para mas madali daw sa kanila makapag-interact dahil alam nila na yung sumisipa doon is automatically lahat Christian. Pareho yung paniniwala sa And then next, we have culture broadens the outlooks of the individual. Mr. Lahara can give you.
Culture gives a chance for an individual to compare himself or herself as part of a greater whole, other than small little things where he or she belongs, like the family. A person will, of course, not walk anything according to his or her own life alone, but also has to consider other people with in his or her actions and
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Lahara. So, kailangan naman na, okay, so only one word we can say about culture broadens the outlooks ng individual. So, dito, parang nade-develop sa atin yung respect once na naiintindihan natin kung anong kultura mayroon yung isa bansa or lugar. So, katulad halimbawa, between religion. So, pag alam natin na na ito ay bawal sa paniniwala or dun sa kaugalian sa religion, hindi na natin iyon mostly pinapaging magkasama siya. So that is also a sign of respect. At sa ganung paraan, mas nabuproden yung knowledge natin na kapag ganito, yung maaaring iba yung interpretation, doon yung dating sa iba, doon sa pagkaka-interpret natin. So that is all about culture broadens the outlooks of the individual. Last, we have culture creates new needs. Yes, Mr. Thompson, can you read?
Culture creates new needs. Culture gives a chance for a person to learn new things and be guided to them to have some needs of other experiences around him or her, which will include satisfy her personality and needs.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Thompson. So one of that is yung paglaganap ng Korean culture sa Pilipinas.
Yes, which is the
Ano tawag doon?
Yes.
So we can call it as neo-colonialism.
Yes,
Hindi siya direct na kina-colonize, but letters of
So
the
thank you, Mr. Salazar. So, according sa culture creates new needs, so dahil nga doon sa na-adapt or na-adapt na ng mga ibang Pilipino, lalo ng mga kabataan yung K-drama, yung mga K-pop. So, parang nagkaroon ng panibagong needs. Nagkaroon ng panibagong needs yung ating kultura. So, unang-una na doon is, mas hinahanap sa Pilipinas ngayon yung mga pagkain, samchi. Tapos yung katulad ng mga gaya. So kung makikita natin sa ibang kainan, lalo sa mga samgyupsal, merong may mga costume available, yung mga costume, pwede mong gamitin, pwede kang mag-picture. So, are we clear?
Yes.
So are we clear with the essentials? Found essential cultural culture again, what are those 12? Can you read everybody?
Culture defines situations.
Number 2.
Culture defines attitudes, values, and beliefs.
Number 3.
Culture is the treasury of knowledge. Culture decides our career. Culture provides behavior pattern. Culture provides personality. Culture makes a man human being. Culture provides solution for complicated situation. Culture provides traditional interpretations to certain situation. Culture keeps having social intact. Culture broadens the outlooks of the individual. Culture creates new needs.
Okay, so are we clear?
Yes.
Let's see, cultural transmission and education. So this is simply to put an in to words. So first we have the word enculturation. Again, who can define the word enculturation according to the report of Mr. Thompson? Yes, Mr. Thompson.
So, sa integration, dito yung na-adapt natin yung iba't ibang culture na ibabasan sa pamamagitan ng panonood at yung pag-share ng ideas ng ibang mga taasan.
Okay, so thank you very much. Another idea about enculturation. Okay, so to give you a clear, so to add about the description, enculturation, when we say enculturation, this is only within a certain geographical area or geographical location. So like for example, here in Batangas, so ano ba yung ipapasok mga culture dito sa Batangas? Unang nasa kasalan. So kung ano yung mga practices dati, yun yung pinapractice hanggang ngayon. And that is also called enculturation. Now, acculturation, yes, is Prias.
Ano, ito po, saan ko?
Okay. So when we see acculturation,
Na-acquired.
that is an acquired culture from other countries into another country. So like for example, yung kultura, okay, so hindi naman nilalayo sa
Korea.
culture. So,
Baliktad pala sinabi.
okay.
Tama ka.
Okay, so sa acculturation naman, ito yung naipapasa yung kultura galing sa ibang, like for example, from other continent into another continent.
Or other than ito, ano.
Okay, so katulad sa Korea, yung adapt natin yung kultura ng Korea,
Yung foods.
sa pamamagitan ng different ways. It is through education, through technology, and then so on. Okay, so yun lang yung cultural transmission and education. So here, we are according to Kim and Agro 2001, enculturation and acculturation construct and encompasses 4 dimensions which are
Behavior, values, knowledge, and identity.
First, we have behavior dimension. Can you read Mr. Thompson?
So, behavior dimension refers to the branch's choice, preference for the education program, and daily participation in cultural activities, contact with indigenous culture.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Thompson. Okay, so next, can you read the value dimension? Yes, Ms. Prias.
Value dimension refers to attitudes and beliefs about social relations. Cultural learner must understand the teacher's perspective. The last, collaborative learning, it occurs about health and illness.
Okay, so thank you, Ms. Prias. Can you read the knowledge dimension, Ms. Michelle?
So knowledge dimension refers to the culturally specific information such as names, historical leaders, in the cultural of origin and the dominant culture, and significant of culturally specific activities.
Okay, thank you. Yes, and then the last, we have identity dimension.
Identity dimension refers to what should know what cultural identity dominant traits and levels of comfort or develop intelligence and dominance.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Lahat. So pag sinabi natin behavior dimension, ito yung part ng ito yung parang sa enculturation and acculturation, ito yung mga nababago. So like for example, yung behavior dimension. So yung paano yung pakikipagkaibigan, yung mga preference, kung nababago yun, depende sa kung ano yung naalam ng kultura. Next, we have value dimension, yung attitudes and beliefs. So pag na-adapt mo yun, parang minsan doon mo na rin naniwala. Or para nagkakaroon ng part sa iyong pag-ugali na parang naniniwala ka na din doon somehow dahil sa influensya natin kulak yun. Next, knowledge. So syempre, natutulungan nito na mag-broaden yung iyong kaalaman at saka yung iyong understanding, pagkakaintindi sa kung anong meron sa kultura na iba practices or kultura. Next, we have identity. So refers to attitudes towards one cultural identification, attitude toward indigenous and dominant groups, and level of comfort toward the people of indigenous and dominant groups. So sa identity dimension naman, ito naman yung, halimbawa, bilang ako sa isang ethnicity or indigenous group. So dito, mas na-determine kung pagka ikaw ay naka-adapt. This is ano naman, parang mostly nangyayari lang siya through enculturation. So halimbawa ay kung ano meron sa yung mga iba't ibang indigenous group meron sa ating bansa. So katulad halimbawa ng first we have Mangyan, we have Aitas,
Ifugaos,
and so on. So are we clear with 4 dimensions? Again, we have behavior,
value, knowledge, and identity.
So ipapaliwanag ko na lang yung following paragraphs. So education plays a vital role in passing cultural beliefs. So alam naman natin, so in previous discussion, we have discussed already that education is the main vehicle or agent of change. So doon pala pwede na natin i-associate na culture can also be a vehicle passing through another generation, through education. Next we have, so another paragraph is Macalibur. So it is just said that changes based on the change of the curriculum. So pag nagbabago yung curriculum, ibig sabihin nagbabago na rin yung mga itinuturo. At minsan, yung mga kulturang curriculum mo sa unang curriculum, hindi rin minsan sinasama. Dahil sabi nga, nagbabago ang curriculum depende sa
pangangailangan ng students.
Ibig sabihin, kung alam nila, yung mga curriculum developer na itong mga ganito ay hindi na applicable sa new generation, ibig sabihin,
Babaguhin, mag-i-implement.
Additional burden. Next, we have another paragraph. So each school follows its own system and beliefs as well. So dito naman, so kung bakit nagbabago yung pag-transmit ng culture, it is because yung ibang schools, so lalo na yung mga private schools, so kung narinig nyo minsan, yung ibang private school, yung graduate ng ibang private school, hindi sila hindi nila alam yung makikita. Kasi yung mga private school na hindi yun, parang ngayon na lang, dati kasi may na-encounter ako ng graduate na siya ng high school. So, tapos, hindi niya alam yung lupang hiniran, hindi niya alam yung kanata. So, kasi minsan, depende sa school, is iba't iba yung policy. Next, we have, so, on the other hand, cultural learning, so can you read? Yes, Mr. Yung on the other hand.
On the other hand, cultural learning is made possible because humans perceive at a very early age that others are living mental and emotional lives. So like their own ability enables others to see the world through another's eye and understanding of the reasons for choosing that action rather than another. So in other words, this is how humans differ from animals. So they learn not just from another's action but also through another's action.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Sean. Okay, so ito lang, papaliwanag ko lang yung sinasabi na kung bakit daw naiiba yung tao sa hayop. So bukod sa sinasabi that humans are ahead from animals, it is because human is the highest form of animals. It is because we can consider the right from wrong. And sabi dito, they learn not just from another's actions but through another's action. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang tayo natututo dahil nakita natin yung karanasan ng iba, kundi natututo din tayo kapag tayo mismo or by experience. So ito na yung sinasabi na through another's action. So, mas natututo tayo, di ba, sinasabi na mas natututo ang tao kapag naranasan niya mismo yung isang bagay or yung
Yes.
things. So, last paragraph, kindly read. Yes, Mr. Lawson.
So, cultural learning goes to all the defined regards, which is exclusively human, of course, imitative is a basic and how it is infant in change learning as they frequently reciprocate their parents' behavior. Baby says that this is not the same as mimicking, since the other person's perspective must be taken into account. The second, instructed learning is possible around the age of 4. It's a mutual process whereby the instructor must know something of the learner's level of knowledge of what is being learned and again. The learner must understand the teacher perspective, the must collaborate and learning of course when neither party in a cultural learning interaction is the authority.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Thompson. So sabi dito, cultural learning goes on the defined guide. So may tatlong paraan kung paano natin natututunan ng kultura simula sa pagkabata pa lang tayo hanggang sa ngayong edad natin. So first, we have imitating. So nung bata pa lang tayo, di ba lahat naman ang natututunan natin is kung paano
Ginagaya lang natin.
paano ginagaya yung mga tao.
Nakakatanda.
Lalapigit yung ating nanay at tatay. So sa ganong paraan, natututunan na natin or nagkakaroon na tayo ng knowledge all about sa kung ano yung kultura ang ating ginagalawan. Next, we have instructed learning. So sa instructed learning naman, ito yung klaseng tinuturo. So pagka 4 years, nangyayari daw to around 4 years old. Kasi pag 4 years old, di ba natututo na yung magsalita?
Yes.
So sa ating mga Pilipino, pag mga ganong edad, tinuturuan na siya, o di ba, pag halimbawa, so halimbawa, ito yung bata, so sasabihin na, o papa, hingi ka doon ng pera, hingi ka doon ng pera, or ibigay mo to doon, gagamit, magtuwa ko. So parang instructed learning. So ini-instruct na yung bata kung paano siya dapat
Mautusan.
So doon pa lang, so anong kultura yung natututunan sa instructed learning? Unang-una yung behavior power. And then last, we have
Collaborative learning.
So pag sinabing collaborative learning, ito na yung pagmalalaki na yun. Katulad natin, di ba sabi ay when you enter college, you will be encountering different cultures. So tayo, ito na yung nangyari sa atin ngayon. Natututo tayo ng iba't ibang kultura, galing sa ating iba't ibang klase na nanggaling sa iba't ibang kultura na mayroon at natututunan natin yung collaborative learning and also by experience. So are we clear?
Yes.
So the elements of culture. So again, what are the different elements of culture? First, we have culture in our heads. Explaining the different elements.
We have
Samson. We have values.
beliefs, knowledge, norms.
Okay, thank you. We have communicating culture, yes, Miss Gianna.
Language and symbols.
And for reproducing culture, yes, Miss Valencia. And we have the different essential functions of culture. Can we give the 5? Yes, Mr. Matthew.
Culture defines creations, culture defines action, values, and roots. Culture is necessary talent. Culture decides our future. Culture provides benefit.
And give the rest. Yes, Miss Valencia.
Culture provides personality.
Miss Valencia, yung mababas ka.
Culture makes influences.
Culture.
Culture provides solution for complicated situations. Culture provides additional interpretations for situations. Culture gives social relationship impact. Culture broadens the outlook of meaning and law. Culture creates new
Okay. And the last, can you give the
4 dimensions
of the cultural transmission and education through inculturation and acculturation? Yes, Mr. Thompson.
So we have the behavior, value, knowledge, and identity.
Okay, so did you understand?
Yes.